and depression. And now we will see some ways to relieve your stress. Like we can do meditation, we can do gardening, we can do adoration, we can read many types of book. And except from these activities, there are so many things, so many activities to do for our stress relief. Thank you.
All of you, my name is Tirna Sau and I am from 7B. Today I am going to sing a song which will reduce your stress. तुम प्रेम हो, तुम प्रीत हो, मेरी बांसुरी का गीत हो. तुम प्रेम हो, तुम प्रीत हो, मनमीत हो राधे, मेरी मनमीत हो. परमात्मा का स्पर्श हो, पुलकित हृदय का हर्ष हो. तुम हो समर्पण का शिखर, तुम हो समर्पण का शिखर, तुम ही मेरा उत्कर्ष हो. तुम प्रेम हो, तुम प्रीत हो, मनमीत हो राधे, मेरी मनमीत हो. तुम प्रेम हो, तुम प्रीत हो, मेरी बांसुरी का गीत हो. Thank you.
Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers and my dear students. So, today's topic is about World Stress Awareness Day. And we know throughout the world, everyone is celebrating the World Stress Awareness Day, and it is starting from 30th October to 3rd November. So, main objective of this stress awareness program is to reduce or to manage our stress. So, what is stress? So, stress, it is a response of our mind towards various stressful situations, difficulties, any kind of responsibilities. So, at that time, we feel stress. So, this program is celebrated throughout the world to reduce the stress among and to educate the people about the stress, harmful impacts of the stress, like increase in heart rate, then depression, anxiety, and especially students are facing stress during exams, and stress, various age groups also feel stress. So to reduce the stress by singing song or by doing any kind of hobby you are interested. So in this way, by reading books, talking to your elders, friends, family members, you can do yoga, meditation, different types of exercises to reduce your stress. So always, and most important is to develop positive affirmation, positive attitude. Always positive vibes you should develop in yourself. You should be responsible for your happiness. Thank you.
Awareness Day. So my dear students, now youngsters, they are committing suicide due to study overburden, isn't it? So you should know your strength. You should know what you can do. Okay? If your parents are pressurizing it, you have to talk to your parents that whatever you choose the way to go for that you choose that field and work hard. That if your parents wants that you want to be a doctor, my daughter wants